Good day, everyone. My name is DC Balungkas from BS Cream 1B. Today, I will share the three philosophical perspectives that resonate with the most Socrates and Saint Augustine and Rene Descartes. The first is Socrates. He believed that knowing yourself is very important. I like this idea because when I understand my strength and weakness, I can make better decision. For example, before choosing my course, I thought carefully about my insti- in- interests and ability. Knowing myself helped me choose the right path. The second is Saint Augustine. He believed that your memories, present experience, and future goals shape who we are. I relate to this because my past mistake to me valuable lesson. Instead of giving up, I learned from them and become more responsible as a student. The third is Rene Descartes. He said, I think therefore I am. This means that thinking helps us understand, observe, I connect with this because before making important decision, I always think carefully about the possible result. It helped me avoid mistake and make wiser choice. These three philosophers inspire me to to know myself, learn from my experience, and think carefully before acting. Thank you.